Hey Javier, my name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency. I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, help you guys out, give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So a couple things we're going to talk about today. Content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. I did not notice if you had a website or not. So I don't see it on your Facebook, and then I do not believe that you have one. So we're going to use another gentleman's website by the name of Michael Saunders and Company because he is ranking in your area, and I just want to use this for the purposes of this demonstration. So believe it or not, websites really aren't that much money considering the market, and you can actually build them yourself. So whatever you do, I would highly suggest getting one, and you're going to want to implement these tips and tricks into it. So any page that you want to rank on websites, you want to have 1,500 words. So this is the main page. He doesn't have it. But also, you want to make sure that all your photos are saved the proper way. So not all content isn't just the words on your website. It is the words, but it's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles. So just to give an example, if this says on the beach, and it was a lot of times the computer will save photos as just random letterings, and you don't want to do that. So just remember that all photos are read how they're saved in the back end by search engines. So obviously how you save them matters, even down to the size that you save it. But more importantly, so this is Michael Sanders. So let's go to lifestyles. I'm not sure what this means, but let's go to golf and tennis, for example. His golf and tennis page has a couple pictures, which they may or may not be saved the right way, but he doesn't have much volume of words. So you want to have 1,500 words minimum, which means that this guy would actually be not too hard to beat, considering that his website has a lot of critiquing that can be done. So you want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank, and then again, you want to make sure that you save your photos the right way. So like I said, you don't have a website, so I can't specifically critique yours, but this is Michael Saunders and Company's website. So like I said, content, 1,500 words, all your photos saved the right way. Next is citation. So I actually typed in Sarasota, Florida Realtors, and we have Fine Properties, Sarasota Real Estate, and Michael Saunders and Company. That's why I use them. Okay, so this has to do with citations, getting up high in this map pack. What a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. I did notice it looks like you own a cleaning company as well, so a lot of this stuff would actually work for your cleaning company too. Just take what I'm saying and implement it in cleaning as opposed to real estate. But just for the purpose of this video, we'll go down here. I want to show you that you don't have to be a brokerage to be in this Google My Business page. So if you look here, we have we have those top three that we noticed, but then we also have, let's see here. John Fevrier, Lisa Morale. So those two right there. So those two are in the map pack under Sarasota, Florida Realtors. They pull up. That's where you want to be, and I guarantee you they're getting leads from that, and they're not paying Zillow. Okay, so just keep that in mind. That has to do with citations. I also noticed I do not believe that you have a Google My Business page for your real estate business, but I'm going to use again Michael Sanders and Company. His Google My Business page. So you actually want to have, so he's got 11 reviews with a 4.3. We recommend 25 reviews. So when you do decide to get a Google My Business page, we recommend 25 reviews. And then also photos. So you want to make sure that you upload 10 photos of your own to your Google My Business page. And then again, just make sure that you save those photos the right way. Because believe it or not, it does matter. And then honestly, you'd probably be able to beat this guy right out of the water. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. And so he actually has, michaelsaunders.com actually has 25,000 backlinks from 429 referring domains. Don't let that fool you or scare you. The thing to keep in mind with backlinks is that they're not all created equal. And so you want to make sure to get your backlinks from sites that are relevant and sites that aren't spammy. Because, like I said, they're not all created equal. Even with that many backlinks, his domain rating is still only a 56. That's a 56 out of 100. And any school I went to, that's still a failing grade. So just keep that in mind. Backlinks are anywhere that your domain is at. So once you get a domain, you're going to want to put it out there. And anywhere that it can be found is going to give you a backlink. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business and into your website, and get yourself a website, and in return bring in some leads. So if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much for watching.